Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have one more look for my Zodiac series featuring Butter London's Zodiac Nail Vault for Virgo season. This is the 13th and final video in the series, and if you want to see the other Zodiac-inspired nail art designs featuring the shade of the season, or the unboxing of this kit and the swatches of the 12 shades, then be sure to check out the playlist link in the corner of your screen or in the description box below. The Virgo shade in the Zodiac Nail Vault is Steady On, which is described as an earthy, cool nude cream, and for the final design in the series, I chose an Ombre Geometric Starburst design with Steady On that can be paired with any shade from the Zodiac Nail Vault. First, I'm going to paint all of my nails with Steady On as a neutral base for the Starburst design. This polish is so creamy and opaque in 2 coats, and I let that dry completely before moving on to the next step. Once my nails were completely dry, I used 4 pieces of striping tape and placed them so that they all converged together on the right side of my nail. You could totally paint the Starburst with a single polish, or you could do an ombre with a few polishes. I started with Cotton Buds, a white cream polish from the Zodiac Nail Vault, and I used a small dotting tool to fill in the top triangle. Then I immediately removed the topmost piece of striping tape, and then I used Piece of Cake, which is a light pink cream polish, to fill in the middle triangle, and then I removed the second piece of striping tape. And finally, I used Coming Up Roses, which is a medium rosy pink cream polish, to fill in the last triangle and removed the rest of the striping tape. I finished off the design with the Hardware Shine UV top coat from the kit, and here is the finished Ombre Starburst design. That's all for today's nail art video. If you want to see the swatches of the polishes from the Zodiac Nail Vault, my last design featuring the Leo shade Ace, or any other nail art designs featuring the shade of the season, you can check out those videos or the playlist by clicking the link on your screen or in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!